Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to tell you how to make PowerPoint quickly. So, before you watching this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for the more tips and tricks. Okay, in this video, I want to use Gamma AI. Okay, you can open your browser. I use the Chrome browser. You can using another browser like Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or anything else. Okay, just type the Gamma AI. Gamma AI. Okay, you can click this one, AI PowerPoint. And wait for a few minutes. Okay, for the first one, you click login using continue with Google. Okay, because I was login, so it is open. Okay, if you want to create new PowerPoint, click menu create a new AI. Okay, generate. Okay, so you can type the title for your PowerPoint. Okay, I want to make Newton's law of motion PowerPoint. Okay, Newton law of motion. Okay, click enter or generate. Okay, you can check the content for the first one, introduction to Newton's law of motion, and until the end, conclusion and key takeaways. Okay, so you can click continue and wait for a few minutes. Okay, for the next is you can choose the background. I want to use this one. Okay, and click generate. So wait for a few minutes. So you can write the AI, create your PowerPoint. Okay, it is so very quickly, guys. Yes. Okay, you can check the content. Yes, it is the introduction of Newton's law of motion. Okay, this is true. And this is my name. Okay, first law, the law of inertia. Okay, this is true. Wow, so very good. The application, look. Okay, it is so very good AI. Wow. Conclusion and the text way. Okay, if you finish, check the content for the PowerPoint. You can click a present if you want to present this PowerPoint. Okay. Whoa, this is so awesome PowerPoint, guys. Is this amazing PowerPoint? You can click next for the next slide. Okay, it is a finish. Okay, so you can download the PowerPoint. You can click this menu and click export menu. If you want to download PDF, click this one. If you want to download PowerPoint, click this one, okay? So I want to download PowerPoint to present in my class. Okay, wait for a few minutes, guys. Yes, the PowerPoint is downloaded. Okay, well done. You can open it. PowerPoint ready for your presentation, guys. See you in the next video for the next tips and tricks.